back.
What it do, YouTube? If you hear smacking, it's because my brother's standing right behind my camera. Chase, the lens is all the way over here. That's not gonna work.
I'm looking at it.
Okay, so Chase, can you back up? I don't feel comfortable. So as you can see, I have these mini twists. Hopefully I actually upload the actual mini twist tutorial or video of me doing mine before actually uploading this. I'm about to take these out. I only kept them for a day. I just wanted to try them out, but I didn't really like them. You know, I like big hair and I like long hair and hair all over the place, so it's not really my style, but just something to try. So I'm going to show you guys a couple ways to style your mini twists before I actually take these out. So leave it, deuces. Okay, first style, I'm going to pull out these two mini twists in the front, and I'm going to go ahead and pull. Coco, where are you going? My dog trying to leave my room. Pull the rest of them up into a high pony. Ow. This being, if my twist would stay, this being style number 1 for wearing your mini twist. Yeah. Okay, and then for number 2, you can go ahead and add those 2 little bang pieces in the front to the pony. And we're going to create a bun. So basically tuck away the ends, and it's a cute, messy looking mini twist bun. Ooh, this is cute. Oh, this is how I wore it when I went to work anyway, so yeah. Cute little mini twist bun. You can also go ahead and do the little style where you pull back the little front ones. I don't really know what to call this, but whoops. Pull. Hold on. It's getting a little fuzzy now. I don't even really like that style, so we're not gonna do that one. What else can we do with these? These are just styles that I would wear. We can also do the half up, half down. It's not even really half, I just kind of did the front twist and the ones in the middle. And that's that. Cute little half up, half down. And you know, another style that I actually thought was really cute, this will probably be the last one. I kind of brought them all the way to the front of my head, to the side, and created, like, you know, this cute little side pony joint. And I think this is really cute. I would wear this, okay? But I just, it wasn't what I was looking for. I'll probably come back and do these again one day, but you know. But these are just quick little styles that you guys can go ahead and do with your mini twist. If you're tired of just wearing them out. I mean, I didn't really do the styles of wearing them out because when I do stuff like this, like mini twists and like protective styles, I usually wear the styles up anyway. So that's why I didn't really do any styles of like the hair out and stuff like that. Do some more styles on some protective styles, but these were just some really cute ones for mini twists that aren't too long. I mean, because my real hair it's not short, but when you twist up your hair and it shrinks up and everything, it shrinks. So you know, you can't always do what you normally would do if your hair was out and curly. So these are just a couple styles. Chase is back in my room. Yeah, these are just a couple styles that I feel like you could do that would be really cute for some mini twist. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know how you guys feel about the mini twist on me and my little ghetto side ponytail. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.